Hi! We all want to enjoy delicious dishes while still being conscious about our health. Now you don't need to count on your calories. With the LG Charcoal Convection Microwave Oven, you can make tasty low-calorie dishes at home. Its charcoal lightning heater not only makes cooking healthier but versatile too. It keeps the natural flavors intact while making your dish crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And not only this, it saves your time and energy as well. Recipes that not only take good care of your heart but taste buds too. LG offers 30 healthy heart auto-cook recipes that means a better lifestyle and good health. What's more, you can now enjoy crispy treats without worrying about all that oil damaging your health. The LG Charcoal Microwave Oven's Diet Fry feature lets you prepare tasty dishes with minimal oil. So go ahead and eat those samosas guilt-free. Barbecuing at home becomes easy and hassle-free with 360-degree motorized rotisserie that gives you crispy and tasty barbecue recipes at just a touch of a button. And you can prepare up to 28 different variety of exotic breads in your LG Charcoal Microwave Oven. The Indian Roti Basket feature lets you prepare delicious naans, lachha paranthas, tandoori rotis, missi rotis and much more easily. When it is possible to prepare all this at home, why would you want to eat out anymore? With LG Charcoal Microwave Ovens, making hygienic ghee with absolutely no smell is a matter of just 12 minutes. Get rid of all hassles of the conventional milk boiling process with the unique pasteurized milk feature of the LG Charcoal Microwave Ovens. Not just this, it also retains the nutrition of milk while removing bacteria and making the whole process more convenient than ever. Now make softer and delicious paneer at home without the use of any chemicals or enzymes. Perfectly blended, hygienically prepared, delicious homemade curd isn't a pipe dream anymore. With 401 auto-cook menu options, you can enhance your culinary skills with ease and convenience with just few clicks of a button. Cool, isn't it? LG's Neo Chef design enhances the beauty of your kitchen, and its stainless steel cavity enables better reflection and uniformity of heating inside the cavity for better and even cooking. Unlike coated cavities, it doesn't peel off and offers longer durability. So what are you waiting for? Get home the LG Charcoal Convection Microwave Oven and unleash the chef in you.